How to add a countdown widget on iPhone 16. Let's get started. Today, I'll show you how to add a countdown widget to your iPhone 16's home screen. Start by downloading a countdown app from the App Store, like Countdown Widget Maker or Eventime. Once installed, open the app and create a new countdown event. Enter the event name, date, and time, and customize it with themes, colors, or even photos to make it personal and fun. Next, add the widget to your home screen. Press and hold an empty space until the apps start to jiggle. Then tap the edit in the top left corner. Select Add Widget. Scroll down or search for your countdown app. Select it and choose your widget size: small, medium, or large. Tap Add Widget and position it where you want on the home screen, then tap Done. If you need to make changes, press and hold the widget, tap Edit Widget, and update the event or design as needed. And that's it. You now have a countdown widget to keep track of all your important events right on your home screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.